Here. Okay. That was way too hard. I can't believe this.
I know.
He's after us, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, this is what really happened. Remember, we found some guns, trying him out, and he comes up like he's some sort of police. Oh, here he comes! Run! No, I'm out of ammo, man. You got some.
How about
Clip.
I would take that clip in case so you don't get lost.
Alright. But still, we have to find some more weapons.
I mean, badly. Yeah, guys.
Alright. I think we should go down.
Hey, look, this is the gun.
Awesome, finally. I think I'm gonna go with Firefly and you go with Dragonfly, right? Let's go. Grenade! Grenade, no, grenade. Oh. Go, come on. Oh, what? Yeah. Run! No! You're not alive! Hook that tight. Okay. Found this lightsaber. It'll come in handy. This.
That was it. Let's go.
Come on. We got video games to play.
Yes! I love video games.
Who doesn't?